Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning into Billionaires Club 101. Today, I'd like to introduce Video Maker FX. Video Maker FX, it creates the best presentations for any small to large business. It's excellent for team building, recruitment, corporate presentation and training, and staff retention. Um, the goal for every business is growth with Video Maker FX. This will help you accomplish your personal and business goals. I would like to show you some of the features that you will receive once you get this software into your database, and this is some of the themes that you will receive. So get even more amazing scenes and special character themes for Video Maker FX every month. So this is also you'll be getting more characters to utilize. So this is part of the information that you're going to be receiving once you go ahead to in the description box below. You're going to click on the link, and then you're going to be able to look at all the information about Video Maker FX. I just want to give you just an introduction to that. Today there's a special 82% discount. Now the regular price for these themes is $197, and then it's $47 per month. But it's yours today for a special price. You get the Gold Pro themes. And then it's introducing the Pro Themes add-on, the Ultimate Professional Themes add-on memberships for Video Maker FX. More than 100 plus additional scenes for your right now. For you right now, you get 50 plus scenes every month. Amazing character animation themes suited for all kinds of business and products, made to convert and sell for you. So these things are here to help you grow your business. And then here are a few other scenes that you can create with your presentations. Go ahead into the description box below. Click on the link. You'll be able to play that video, kind of get you some information on what you can do with the Video Maker FX. There's a lot of great benefit you in growing your business. Advanced presentations, really the next level in presentations, showing off a company brand or product. It shows statistics in unique ways and really engage anyone who uses to boring and old PowerPoint. So this is something better than a PowerPoint. It's just your way of getting advanced technology to work for you. All right, so the special offer, of course, it's 82% off. You get it for $37 today, and then it's only $27 each month. And if you're looking to grow your business, this is something that you're really going to need. It's you get money back guarantee for 30 days, money back guarantees, no questions asked. It's 100% secure checkout, verified secure checkout. You can use your credit card or PayPal to check out. All right, so if you want to go ahead and get your Video Maker FX, go ahead to the description box below. Click on the link. listen to the videos, see the characters that are at work for you, and then choose your themes, create your customize your every video is there for you to create and grow your business. Thank you for tuning in to Billionaires Club 101. And if you are not a subscriber to our channel, please hit the subscribe button. We thank you for your viewership. Thank you and have a great day.